Here we are back at Yates American J180 restoration. This is the last of the rust removal, but it does involve a lot of work on the J180 machine base, and then we'll finally start doing some painting. I'm not real sure the best approach on this. It's got paint and then it's got rusted where the paint is missing. I may end up using some paint stripper and some rust remover. And this thing has a bunch of body filler on it. I didn't know I was going to be getting into doing body work. I thought I'd try using some citrus strip to get rid of any remaining bondo. Most of the online resources say use heat to get rid of body putty bondo, but I thought I'd try the citrus strip and I'm not sure it was real effective, so I'll go ahead and clean this up and move on to the next step. So now that I've been cleaning this up with paint thinner, it looks like the bondo has come up pretty well. So I'll try the paint remover on a couple of other areas. I'm going to primarily use a muriatic solution to try to get this surface rust off. I'll go through my usual wash down with lacquer thinner before painting. For the purists out there, you'll be disappointed that I am not going to put the body putty back on. So whatever the cast surface is, like this here, That's what we get. Well, I know this has been dragging on, and I appreciate you hanging in there, but we're finally about to start putting things back together. So please check back every now and then and see how we're progressing.